So we have actually built our first spider with Scrapy, and it also scrapes data as well. Now let's summarize up what we did. That is, we created a spider using Python classes, and we inherited the Scrapy spider to get the functionalities out of the box, which gets inherited by our spider. We named our spider, that is using the name class variable, which we can use to crawl our spider later on. Then we have the start URLs, which is the request we want to set. And here, this is a list. And if I want, I can add more values or more URLs as well by separating them with a comma and adding another URL like this. Of course, we don't need it for here. And then we defined the parse method in which we receive the response. That is, we send a request and that response is given to our parse method, in which we can use the response to select our data, which we do using the CSS selectors and the CSS method. We select the articles and run a for loop for all the articles, that is the ebooks, and select their title and price. After extracting them with the get method, we yield the values, that is, we generate the values from our parse method, which gets extracted into a different file, that is ebooks.json, like this. So that's how we create a spider with Scrapy to scrape websites.